soon as I open my eyes, it's the same voice on the inside, already so heavy, weighing on my soul. All the fear, all the worry, all the